Hi, I'm Dylan, and today I'm here to talk about the benefits of cooking and baking with kids. First up, we'll make coconut macaroons. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make coconut macaroons. So, the ingredients you will need for this recipe are 14 ounces of sweetened shredded coconut, a cup of chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 2 egg whites, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. Now, for the tools you will need for this recipe, a hand mixer, 2 bowls, measuring spoons, ice cream scoop, small spatula, and a wooden spoon. Now we will mix our ingredients together. But before you mix your ingredients in the bowl, you must set your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and get 2 cookie sheets and line them with parchment paper. Starting with the sweetened coconut shreds, we pour them in the bowl. Then sweetened condensed milk. You can use your spatula to get the excess out. Then you're going to get a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour it in the bowl. Then you're going to get a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. And pour it in the bowl. Then you can mix your ingredients with your wooden spoon. And if you find that it's not mixing well, like you can see here, feel free to use your hands. The next step in the recipe is to take your 2 egg whites and pour them in the bowl. Then, with your hand mixer, you're going to beat them until they form stiff peaks. These are what the egg whites should look like after you're done mixing them. I was mixing them for about 1.5 minutes. Now you'll take your egg whites and pour them into your coconut mixture. Once you've gotten all the egg whites in, you can fold them into the mixture. Now, you can put your chocolate chips in and fold them in as well. Next, you will take your ice cream scoop and go into your mixture and bring it over to your cookie sheet, but make sure you clean it off just a little bit. And then you can plop it down right on the cookie sheet. once you have all your cookies on the cookie trays, you are going to put them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes until they are golden brown. Make sure you have your oven mitts. Put one on the top rack and the second one on the middle rack. After taking your cookies out of the oven, you're going to want to take them off cookie trays and place them on to a cooling rack until they are cool enough to eat. Hi, I'm back. Now that we have just baked cookies, here are 10 great reasons to cook with kids. 1. It helps kids learn math skills such as addition or fractions. 2. It helps kids with reading. 3. Cooking is a science experiment where the kid can learn that if they put too much or too little of an ingredient, the recipe may not turn out the way they want it to. 4. It teaches kids how to follow directions. 5. Cooking with kids allows them to learn a new skill, which can help build a self-esteem. 6. Being in the kitchen helps the kids learn to identify different foods and gain a good basis of nutrition for the future. 7. Cooking and baking is a creative outlet for kids to showcase and experiment freely. 8. Cooking with kids gives them an opportunity for the parents and kids to talk. 9. Overall, it lets the kids spend time with their parent, creating happy memories for both. 10. It's fun.